Hello guys, do you want to split your screen on Android? Here's a tutorial for you. Let's get to it. Okay, today we're going to split our screen for the YouTube app and another app on our Android phone. And then, alright, let's open the YouTube app. And then after we open the YouTube app, we can click on the recent button right here on the bottom of our screen. And then we can click this YouTube icon. Click right here. And then we can choose open in split screen view. Alright. And then after that, we can choose the another app that we want to split with YouTube. And I'm going to choose Google app. Click on the Google app. Alright guys, and now the screen has been splitted, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.